Hi guys, another episode on I'm Antoniya, and today we'll be talking about linens and jeans. Something that is functional, something that is comfortable, something that everybody can wear every day. And I'm gonna show you some items from my own collection. We're gonna pair them with some everyday shoes, and also I have some new items. We'll do some unboxing because this company Stylewe reached out to me, and I said, "Do you have any linens or cottons or jeans, something that is wearable?" And they said, absolutely, we do have. So I researched, and this is a platform that actually, it's an online shopping platform that features independent designers from all over the world. So they have endless styles on their website that are actually updated daily. So I came across some interesting designs that I'm actually very curious and anxious to open, and we'll be doing it together with you. But let me tell you, the most important thing about linen in particularly is to be ironed, to be steamed. Actually, that's much more easier. So there's one thing we have to come into term, that if you do commit to wearing, you have to do the work. And we will be steaming together today. We'll be steaming, we'll be styling, and we'll be unboxing a little bit of everything, but this is a must. If we want to commit ourselves to looking good elegantly while comfortable, linen is one fabric that is absolutely amazing, but it does take a moment to put it together.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind.
Yeah, I think I did quite an average job steaming them, but they do look better, and it really takes time to steam it correctly. But you can see the difference already, just from before, just all wrinkled. Now it's a little bit better. And now let's open the new package, and we're gonna continue steaming. Oops. Beautiful yellow pants. I think those are actually cotton. Oversized, very fashionable and stylish, I think, for the summer. And I think they'll look really good with some crop top, something tank top, something sensual. When you're wearing something so oversized like this, actually these are perfectly steamed. I don't even need to iron those. Those are in perfect condition. But when you wear something baggy like that, in order to bring some of the feminine energy, because this is quite masculine, it's very important to contrast it. So I think these pants will look so beautiful with some heels and some very elegant corset or something see-through on the top. But I think this will be like a perfect summer item, essential. So that will definitely go good with my collection. Look at that, I have something blue here, and this is linen, definitely. Linen pants. And this is a set, this is one of two. This one definitely needs to be ironed. These are baggy pants. And I think without further ado, let's start steaming, because beautiful color, beautiful cut.
Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs?
Definitely better, not ideal. This is not the best of work of mine, but I think it'll look a lot beautiful, much more presentable when I'm trying it on. Definitely a horse of a different color. Now let's open the set that goes together with these pants. The top. Look at that beautiful shirt. Oh, this can be so elegant with some beautiful handbag and shoes. But again, the same story. Whenever you have linen, you have a lot of wrinkles, a lot. And even though very soon it'll be the same as soon as you go out in the humidity, but Not steaming is not an option, guys. Not an option. Never, ever, ever. Elegant put together. It's different. It's different story. We own it to ourselves. We present ourselves into the world. We want a high vibration. So you gotta steam, guys. You gotta steam. Laziness is not an option. I know, I know, I know. I feel your pain. And this is a very small, not the best steamer, but this one is very good for traveling. I just got it in Amazon. But if you invest in a beautiful, big, standard size steamer, it won't be this bad. Right now, this is bad. Just because it's just not up to the high speed and the standards. It's just doing the job, but so slowly. But if you're traveling, what else do you need? If you just need to steam one dress to go out for dinner, taking it out of your suitcase. So this is why I got the small one right now. It's slowly doing the job. Happy weekend, everybody. I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. Steaming their clothes for the upcoming week. Or packing for vacation. Would that be exciting or what? That's always more exciting than unpacking after a vacation. Okay guys, with style, here we are. Jeans. I love jean material. Oh, shorts. Look at guys. Oh, love me some shorts. Very, very nice. Should we start trying basically these shorts? Actually, we don't have to iron them. They're good. Oh my god, this is stretchy, guys. This is so comfortable. This is like really stretchy and comfortable shorts. And let me do the top. This is also a set of two. My favorite thing in the world, sets. Love me some sets. Oh, look at guys, this is awesome. This is gonna be so youthful and modern and chic, you know. Paris, here I come, or somewhere in Europe, or literally anywhere. So let me put the top. Denim on denim. Okay, what are we thinking, guys? I'm loving it. I'm personally absolutely loving it. I think I'm just gonna be wearing it open like that, just with nice heels for sure, because like I said, when it's something a little bit masculine, those materials are more masculine, they're not so feminine, especially in those cuts. We're talking about pants and heavy material, but they're just so comfortable and so chic and just so modern. But heels is a must, a little heel, always feminine, feminine, feminine. Important, important, important. And now, which one should I try next? I think I'll try next the yellow pants. We have the yellow pants. And I said, like I said, these pants definitely need to be worn with something sexy. Because again, they're very overpowering. I'm gonna include the prices, and I have a discount code for all of you guys. I think 18% if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna include the code. I'm gonna include the prices because these clothes are affordable and they're very, very chic. But even the color already is much more feminine, and I think this will look really good with my Hermes white and brown clogs. I think this is just perfect for St. Barth, for St. Tropez, anywhere. You can have your bathing suit underneath, a big hat. I mean, this is amazing. Or for dinner, you can put a little bit more high heel. You can belt it, make it more chic. I mean, isn't this amazing, you guys? I absolutely love it. This is almost good to go for Instagram, just like that. Just awesome. And it's so light and breathable. Absolutely love the material. Linen makes all the difference in the world. Very loose fit, very comfortable. It's just great. And now I'm gonna show you some of my clothes, guys. Some more ideas how to wear jeans and linen this summer and be very chic everywhere you go, everything you do. Every single product from Stylewe from today's episode can be found in the description box down below. Use code Antoniya18 for 18% discount. Guys, here's another outfit. I think the same shoes will go so chic again. Very similar. This is just different pants, for example. These are more fitted, but I think the same. When you have long sleeves, they always look more chic than just have short sleeves. Long sleeves, but you just roll them. That's how elegant women dress. You never wear short sleeve. And then you can have some buttons. And then I think this is very casual, but very same bars, very Saint-Tropez, very chic and effortless, very Nantucket and Cape Cod. I think this is just killer outfits. Any single linen set with a nice pair of real leather, something, that is not cheap, but it's a little bit more overpowering. I think just completes the look. And if you grab any kind of basket, I think it will be so good for the summer. Any kind of basket will be a perfect addition to any of these linen suits outfits. So this is one of mine. I got this in Italy. I know I got it in the end of the summer for 50% off. So always look for that kind of outfits year round, because even though they're a little bit more expensive fabrics, you can find them in good deals, perhaps a little bit off season. And now, now I'll show you this one. So this one is no sleeve. See how I went from a long sleeve, roll up sleeves to no sleeves. I think anything in between just doesn't look very elegant. For etiquette, I didn't come up with that rule. And again, I have it with my white Hermes. I think this is today's the day of the white Hermes clogs. They just look so perfect for this season. I'm just so happy with this purchase. And then these buttons have the same color, kind of like a little bit more of a wood color. So I just put it all together. It breaks up the white a little bit. So this is another outfit of mine that is turning into being one of my favorite, but absolutely number one outfit that I've worn. I can live in this. It's this long sleeve sort of jacket with this really wide legged pants. So let me show you my absolute favorite next. Even though it's just like a true loungewear, but you can travel the world with it, and it's good for everything. Whenever I have this piece, it's so versatile. Every single one of these pieces is just so versatile because you can wear them separately, wear them together. You can wear them as a set, with the hats, or you can wear them with the heels. For this, actually, I put different type of shoes because these pants are so wide you cannot even see the shoe. So I think these Hermes clogs will look a lot better if you're going to the airport. I wear this a lot on the ship when I'm traveling on a cruise because the ACs are so strong. So every single one of these linen suits really could protect me because I'm rather very gentle and, easily I get stiff around my neck and my shoulders. So I really always have to protect myself. And every single one of these pieces is just such a perfect loungewear. If I want to read a book, work on my computer, on my phone, I just feel very put together, but very protected at the same time, and just very chic and understated. Sometimes just less is more. Now let me show you my jeans. I love those jeans. Ding dong, I like to wear them with heels. This is the trick that I always do with these baggy jeans, because whenever I wear them with sneakers, they have to do with some sort of heel for sure. And the higher the better, because they're so baggy. I just look and feel so good. I mean, just so effortlessly. It's like, what else do you need? You have your jeans, effortless ribs. You have your heels. White tee is just probably everything you need. A little bag. and I can just go anywhere like this. I absolutely love this look. This type of clothing is actually very practical. You know, somebody might say, like, this is summer, let's discuss dresses. I say this is so much more versatile and wearable all summer long anywhere you go. You can be in Europe, you can be in the States. These pieces, you can easily pack them in your suitcase and you can wear them separate together. Mix and match as well. Imagine, you know, those shorts with this top with a beautiful hat already create so many looks. Every single set will create so many additional looks. I mean, with the white top, literally every single one of these colors will look great. So try always to have something in the neutral color palette, like white, black, in the grays, and then some colorful colors. Not too many. Here we have 1, 2. Everything else is quite neutral, but jeans go good together with everything. So invest in the pieces that you can really wear every day, but also in the fabrics. Invest in the fabrics. Here we have cotton, here we have jeans, and here we have linen. And every single one of these fabrics is just so comfortable. So dedicate yourself to a comfortable wardrobe, and linen is comfortable but also luxurious. It will just elevate your look for sure. But make sure to steam it, because it just doesn't look near as good when the outfit is steamed. Thanks again for watching another episode of I'm Antoniya. Happy weekend, guys!